最近外國有一項研究發現，原來飲酒唔單止可以令人減壓，仲可以幫你講得一手流利嘅外語。佢哋話適量嘅酒精可以減低你講外文嗰陣嘅焦慮感，連發音都會準啲。Sorry， 飲啖酒先。According to the study in Journal of Psychopharmacology, alcohol can actually reduce your language inhibition. It makes you feel much more confident, and you don't have to worry about your grammar and accent anymore. It's absolutely amazing. Sorry， 啱啱飲咗酒，我唔記得咗呢一個係廣東話 channel。其實呢一個係英國同荷蘭大學嘅真實實驗，佢哋揾咗50個德國做母語嘅學生做測試，發現飲咗少量酒嗰組學荷蘭文嘅時候真係流利咗好多。原因係因為酒精可以降低你嘅情緒抑制。簡單嚟講，即係令你厚面皮咗。平時你驚講錯英文會俾人笑，個腦就會輕機。飲咗少少酒，焦慮消失咗，你反而放膽講，發音自然會更加順利。不過研究歸研究，飲少少的而且確可以減少語言焦慮，提高熟練嘅程度，可以放開懷抱咁樣講外語。但係飲得多，我就驚會發酒癲啦。所以咧，大家飲酒都係適可而止。我哋係 Why So Funny， 希望為你提供更加多嘅葡萄酒趣聞。記得留言、讚好同埋 subscribe 我哋。下次見，拜拜。